Welcome to another episode of Coffee with Craig. Earlier this year, we introduced this series as a way to communicate with you, our customer. It was received so well that we decided to continue it throughout the year. We just started a brand new series about our products and a product showcase. We're going to be continuing our series today with the brand new BraunAbility CompanionVan Easy Ramp. As always, if you'd like to chat with us, please use the chat feature at the bottom of your screen. If you're watching this on one of our social media platforms, feel free to use the comment section. I'd like to introduce you today to Jason Blackwell, the sales manager at our Richmond, Virginia location. Good morning, Jason, and welcome to Coffee with Craig.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So, Jason, I know we're really excited about this brand new CompanionVan Easy Ramp. The CompanionVan has been around for a really long time, and we've seen some updates over the year, such as the CompanionVan Plus and the CompanionVan Plus XT. This brand new CompanionVan Easy Ramp is going to take the place of the old CompanionVan. Are you ready to take us through it?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Absolutely.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to introduce this new product. It is the old CompanionVan. It was a manual door, manual ramp. So for caregivers, you actually had to open it up and also pull it back down. Well, the positive part about the CompanionVan Easy Ramp is that, watch this. So we will open the door, use the key fob remote, open the door, and we have a second key fob that we're going to be using to deploy the ramp. So the advantage of this is this is actually now powered. So it is an inexpensive conversion. So therefore the ramp width is 30 inches wide. The ramp height is 52.5 inches tall right here through the doorway. And the ramp width itself, the door opening itself is 29.25 inches wide. So therefore, somebody like myself as a quadriplegic can be able to get in there and independently be able to ride in there safely. The next great thing about this conversion is the Easy Ramp conversion is that it's just a center cut conversion. So I'm going to actually show you how easy it is to get up the ramp. And I sit approximately 56 inches tall in my chair. And as you see, I'm able to get through with a little ducking, but able to get in here completely fine and have plenty of headroom height as well.
Now, in this new conversion, did the seats move up front? Are you able to pull those in and out?
So the great thing about this particular conversion is that they're static. They stay in place. So the advantage to this is just the center section of this conversion is actually cut out. So it's very cost effective as far as if you're a family member that is not going to be driving or riding in the front passenger position and just riding, like a child or an elderly parent, and no longer driving. So you're able to get in and turn forward just like this.
Great, fantastic.
So again, as we mentioned, the center section is cut out specifically in this conversion. However, you also have the L tracks in front of me and behind me that you're able to use retractable tie downs or regular manual tie downs that comes with the van itself. So therefore that you're in a forward facing position, tied down safely, and you would use your lap and shoulder belt as well. Also, the cool thing about it is if, let's say, your individual that's in the chair wanted to still have some form of independence, they still would be able to use the remote, as you see, shut the door, and also shut the ramp, and also shut the door. Also, look how independent the person can be coming out as well. And on top of all of that, it is a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. It's a brand new conversion, so therefore you get all the features and benefits of a brand new conversion for a low price.
Jason, this looks like a really great van, and I think there's some other benefits that we probably ought to talk about. Can you tell me a little bit about the drop floor and the front position, or the passenger and driver positions of this van?
So absolutely. So being that this is a 10-inch drop floor, it's not as significantly far off the ground. So the very front part of the vehicle is all OEM. So the original manufacturer all maintains the same. So therefore the console is all the same, the seating is all the same. So you're able to actually have the console, cup holders and so forth as well. So if you have an aging person that isn't able to step up and off of a step, then therefore this gives you the ability to get in and out very easy as well.
Yeah, that was very easy. As a companion, I can see how easy it is to get in and out of this vehicle. So I believe this works really great for families, for children. Again, you mentioned while the seats don't move and there's no driver application, there's a lot of benefits to this van that people would probably want to take advantage of, correct?
Absolutely, absolutely, yeah. We actually, in fact, we sold this one today to an older couple with a child or an older child that was in a chair, and it worked perfectly for them.
Fantastic. Jason, thank you so much for joining us today for this episode of Coffee with Craig. Your insight has been invaluable.
Thank you so much, Craig.
I want to tell everyone thank you for watching Coffee with Craig. As I mentioned before, please feel free to use the chat feature at the bottom of our screen in order to interact with us, or feel free to leave any comments on the social media pages that we have. We're going to be back in 2 weeks with a brand new conversion that you're going to be really excited to see. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in 2 weeks.